Namo Namaha. Are you all facing problem when you are going to learn Sanskrit? Okay. Then please listen carefully. Okay. How to identify and how to solve the translation and all. For that we need Karak. Okay. So from where Karak coming? You have idea that Vibhakti have two types. What are they? One is Karak, one is Upapad. So Karak is having 7 Vibhaktis. Okay, all are knows that Vibhakti are 7 types, but not. Vibhakti are 2 types. Okay. Second thing, this all Vibhakti are based on Karak. And what is Upapad Vibhakti? Upapad Vibhakti means Upa means extra and Pada means word. Okay, so Upapada means extra word. When we are going to join in a sentence a extra word, that time we are using one Vibhakti. So that time also we have to know about the Vibhakti format, and before that about the Karak also you should know. Then only you have a basic idea to identify each and every Karak names and how to make a sentence in particular that Karak, how to use that word. And basically what, since we are using Karak and Vibhakti, so let's start. Today I am going to teach you Karak. So Karak, this many are 7 types. Okay, 7 Karakas are there and each Karak have particular Vibhakti. Prathama to Saptami. Like Karta Karak, Prathama Vibhakti. Karma Karak, द्वितीया विभक्ति. करण कारक तृतीया विभक्ति. संप्रदान कारक चतुर्थी विभक्ति. अपादान कारक पंचमी विभक्ति. संबंध कारक षष्ठी विभक्ति. अधिकरण कारक सप्तमी विभक्ति. Here all karakas have some vibhakti. Okay, like one particular vibhakti. But you know vibhakti are 7 only. Okay, but karaka are 6. There is sutra, and based on that we are identify that sometimes we are not getting the sambandh is not a karak in Sanskrit, and in Hindi also karta karak they are not taken in karak. So whatever, but we have to know this karak and vibhakti and what are the symbols, because when we are going to solve a sentence, that time what we are seeing, if English to Sanskrit, then English symbols we want. If Hindi to Sanskrit, then Hindi symbols we want. Okay, so as per that you have to know which karak, what is the symbol. Okay, so let's say with me karta karak, prathama vibhakti, in Hindi ne, and in English is mr. Okay. So this vibhakti already we done. Like how to read. You read with me. So karta ne is mr. Karm ko to. Karan से, by, with, through. संप्रदान को के लिए for. अपादान से विच्युति and separate from. संबंध का की of apostrophe s belongs. अधिकरण में paper in on date. Okay, so you have to know, then only we can identify how to solve the translation. Okay, धन्यवाद.